Hello.
Hi, TPJ.
Hi,
Hi.
good morning. Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning. You are my last caller. It's a little bit it's 3 a.m.
Thank
Good.
you naman.
It,
Napaunlakan.
yeah. Would you speak a little bit louder?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. What do I call you, ma'am?
You can call me Ari.
Ang arte nun. Ano ulit yung paano? Paano yun?
Eksena, no?
Ano yun, ma'am? Hello?
Yes,
Are you
sorry.
are you on like headsets or
Hold on.
handheld lang po, handheld lang.
Okay, is this better?
Ba naman charot-charot ka.
Hello?
What's your name po?
My name is Ari.
Ayan, maliwanag na. Congratulations. How do you spell that?
A-R-I.
Ari lang. Oh, yan. No insignificant letters. Oo. As in ilan taon na si Ari?
25 po.
Natutuwa ako pag may mga ganito kabatang tumatawag sa akin. Mga kaedad ko lang.
Yes. Wow.
Oh, subukan mo. Tumesting ka.
Tigilan
Dali.
mo ako, Papa Jack. 9
Oh.
years old pa lang nakikinig na ako sa'yo.
Binastos pa ako. Hindi na lang tumahimik eh. No, talaga naman. Ilan taon? Asa? Taga-saan ka?
Cavite po.
Pag ba nakita niyo ako sa TikTok, halimbawa nakita niyo ako naka-live sa TikTok, now without any knowledge of how long I've been doing this, how do you think my age will be? What do you think?
Siguro, to be honest, o yung charot-charot.
Siyempre yung to be honest, ba't naman charot-charot?
Sige na nga, mga 32 plus
Bad,
7. Charot.
bad,
32 talaga.
bad trip pa rin. Kasi 26 lang yung peg ko eh.
Ay,
Ayan.
sorry.
Nairita ako ha.
Ay,
Anyways, anong ginagawa ni Ari sa buhay?
working ako right now sa business ng mom ko. Tapos, nagpa-part-time ako sa ad agency.
Oh, baka kailangan mo ng host ha?
Oo, kung malaki yung company, why not? Sige, pitch kita.
Oh, totoo naman, di ba? Oh.
Mm-mm.
You'll never know, di ba?
Yes.
Mangungumisyon ka naman. Pero bawal yun eh, no?
Medyo.
Ano na lang, bibili lang kita ng kape, gano'n. Jackson, host.
Yun.
Yung sobrang dami ng caffeine, magpapalpitate kasi nervyos, gano'n. Anyways, Ari, 25 from Cavite. You work hard to be helping your family's business and to be doing a full-time job.
Thank you.
Sa bagay, uso na ngayon yan sa edad na 25, no?
Mm-mm. Papayaman.
Well, yan na yung trend ngayon eh, no? Parang yan yung trend nowadays eh. In the older days, I don't know about the older days. I just heard about it. No? Hindi yan ang trend. Dati ang trend, alam niyo naman to eh, di ba? When you're a woman, ganyang edad, you
Yes.
are looking forward to be a housewife na.
Mm-mm.
Building family. Ngayon, independent career woman. Pero may downside yan, no? Ang hirap magbinti ng relasyon.
Ayan na nga. Ayan na nga, papunta na nga eh.
In my experience, yan lagi yan eh. Ang hirap lang sabihin to nang wala nagtatanong o kausap, parang right now. Kasi madaling ma-misinterpret pag sinabi ko yan. Anyways, is that what your problem is tonight?
Yes,
Tell me about it.
yun talaga. Okay, so for the context, meron akong boyfriend for 3 years. Pero galing ako sa past relationship na 7 years.
Yung pagitan nila, how long? Bago ko mo naging jowa in 3 years?
Mga 6 months.
Okay.
Kasi naman, PPJ, ito na nag-rant na siya, oh.
Go lang, go lang.
Hindi kasi yung dun sa may past boyfriend ko, parang nasa relationship pa lang ako. Unti-unti na ako nag-move on. Kasi he was really
Babae lang
abusive.
gumagawa niyan.
Oo, superpower namin yon.
Oo, totoo. Di ba yung pag the moment na nagsabi kayo ng ayaw nyo na, moved on na kayo.
Totoo yan. Kasi naman, I gave so many chances to him. Tapos, wala eh.
Anyways,
Nako.
tapos na yan. So,
Okay, yeah.
kumbaga, you spent 6 months trying to, live your life, and then there's a black,
Yes.
may black swan na dumating na in love ka ulit.
Okay, so, ito naman sa may 3 years ko na boyfriend right now. Parehas kaming career-driven. Na proud naman ako sa kanya kasi meron na siyang small business. Though 4 sila doon na business partners. Pero at least, di ba, may business na siya sa age ng ganun. Kasi yung age kami. But then, nandito kami yun sa point namin na parang may midlife crisis kami. Tapos yung main problem is about money.
Your problem at the age of 25 is money?
Yeah.
And that's also his problem?
Naapektuhan niya kasi yung relationship namin.
Okay, tell me specifics. Kumbaga, yung maiintindihan ko po.
Okay. So, yung boyfriend ko kasi medyo mahigpit siya sa money. As in, hindi naman siya kuripot. Pero, marunong siya mag-manage ng money niya, ganyan. Tapos, nagsabay-sabay yung problems nila sa family. Tapos, wala siyang dad. So, parang siya yung naging padre de pamilya sa family nila.
Okay.
Tapos, may times na parang napapabayaan na niya yung sarili niya. Ganun. Tapos parang, ultimo sarili niya, pinagdadamutan niya ng pera. Yung mga basic needs niya. Ganun. Siyempre, ako naman, as a girlfriend, ayoko siyang pabayaan, di ba? Hanggat kaya ko siyang supportahan, I will support him. So, yung least that I can do is to treat her sa meal. Ganon. Pero parang, hindi ko alam. Siguro petty nga lang talaga ako. Minsan sasabi ko yun sa kanya na baka too much naman yung ginagawa niyang paghihigpit sa sarili niya, na hindi na tama. Tapos, minsan nag-aaway na kami kasi ultimo date namin, parang, hello, ikaw naman taya, sige na. Ayun.
Lagi bang ikaw?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman majority. Pero kasi pag nasa mahal kaming restaurant, hello, ako na naman. Gusto naman kuya.
Who? Okay, I need a little more specifics on this one. Okay, the last time that you had to shell out or that you had to pay, not only shell out, doon sa expensive restaurant na yan, who asked for the date?
Sorry, wait lang. Medyo malabo.
Yung time na itong binabanggit mo na, yung restaurant na yan, na kumain kayo, ikaw nagbayad, who asked for that date?
Oh, kasi monthly namin yun.
Oh, so you were expected to go somewhere.
Yeah. Pero he was sweet naman kasi hatid sundo, ganyan. Tapos, he gave me a love letter. So cute.
Who chose the restaurant?
Huh?
Who chose the restaurant?
Nakita namin sa TikTok.
Okay. May nakakita sa inyo yan. May nagpadala. Kain tayo dito. Sino yan? Ikaw, siya?
Ako.
Okay. Lumilinaw na. No? So it was you who wanted to go to that restaurant during the Mansari kasi if it would have been him, baka nasa McDonald's kayo, which maybe he can afford better. Tama?
Okay naman sa akin yung mga, yung mga medyo cheap na restaurant. Basta siya yung nag-plan ng everything. Tapos siya yung gumastos. Kasi it was a special thing.
Look, ganito You said kanina that he's got obligations sa family niya. I have a question for you. And I want you to be honest with the way you're going to answer me. Ready?
Okay.
Do you think if he's got more money, do you think you will have this problem?
No.
Exactly. So ibig sabihin, he is also a victim of his own circumstances. Tama, mali?
Tama.
So he's doing everything he can to please you and
Yes.
still provide for his family. Why is this a problem then?
Siguro mali lang din talaga. Now that you said that, mali na nagbibilang ako.
Hindi kasi, una-una sa lahat, hindi siya kuripot. Yun lang talaga yung kaya niyang ilaan.
Mm-mm.
So,
Right.
so madaling sabi, it's not fair that you are going to accuse him of not looking after you kung kung hindi talaga niya kaya.
Yeah, makes sense.
Di ba? I mean, just like what you're doing. Humahasel ka, humahasel din naman siya. Maybe he is not as fortunate as you are.
Pero do you think I'm not doing too much naman?
Oh, you're just being
Considering his expenses.
No. You're just being 25 years old.
Okay.
Now,
Ay. Minsan kasi feeling ko parang, shit na mo ba itong pinili ko? Parang medyo may pagka-man child. Parang gano'n.
okay, let's talk about that. Now that's something else. Okay?
Yeah.
Man child. Why do you say that?
Minsan kasi, parang yung behavior niya, feeling ko, ako na yung nanay sa relasyon. Na parang at some point, tutubuan na ako ng, alam mo na yun, private part, ng lalaki, sa katuwang ganito, na isa akong babae.
No. Why do you feel that way? I mean, this is the person you love. Kanina may nabanggit ka sa akin. I wanna deal with that one.
Okay, which one?
Masyado po niyang tinitipid yung sarili niya that even yung kanyang basic needs, kinakalimutan niya. Ano context nun?
As in, yung parang, hindi naman everyday food niya, pero parang almost everyday siya nagsasabi sa akin na, wala doon sila makain sa bahay nila. Parang ganun. Tapos
I mean,
ko, sure
sinasabi niya yun na wala siyang makain para bigyan mo siya. Wait lang po.
Hindi naman.
Wait lang. I wanna know the context. Kasi pwedeng sabihin niya na wala kami makain sa bahay namin kasi walang physical food sa bahay nila and that he has to order from somewhere, or sinasabi ba niya yun para bigyan mo siya?
I think nag-rant lang talaga siya sa akin.
Okay.
Kasi nagpapagod na siya sa cycle nila dun sa
Because he's
bahay
working
nila na
hard.
ganun.
He's working hard
Yeah.
trying to provide and then no one's looking after him. Sa mga basic
Yes,
needs naman.
exactly.
Oh, ba't pakialamera ka? Tapos ngayon, problema mo yan.
Hindi, kasi Papa Jack, hindi ko siya matiis talaga.
Exactly.
Ayoko naman ang gano'n.
Now, if you did it out of love, it shouldn't be a concern to you. I mean, this is a person you love. Kapalitan mo to ng laway pag naglalaplapan kayo. Uy! Tawa ka na. Imagine mo, kailan ba yung last na pag ganun ka, no?
Oo, puro work Diyos ko, day.
Diba? Kapalitan mo to, ate. Kahipuan mo to ng private part. This is a person you love. You are one with this guy.
Yeah.
Kung nag-run siya sa'yo, because maybe he's too honest to tell you na this is my situation right now. Kung at any point in that situation, naramdaman mo na you could do something for him, bakit mo bit-bit yun? I mean, you should be happy doing that for the person you love.
Yeah, I guess. Ay,
I'm sorry, go ahead po. Gusto
pero
mo,
kasi gusto kong maging last relationship na to talaga. As in, yung endgame na kami. Kasi nakakapagod kumilala ng tao.
well, if that's your only motivation, then you are there for the wrong reason.
Oh.
Kasi it becomes transactional kung yan lang yung dahilan mo. Say it with me. Transactional. Say it.
Transactional.
Yan. Pag gano'n kasi ang relasyon, Ari, it becomes, I do this for you, you do this for me. I do this for you, oops, teka lang, before I do the next one, you do it for me. Then, it becomes transactional and that's not okay.
Oh, so all this time, hindi pala tama din yun?
I
Parang
don't,
nag-expect ng always 50-50.
no, well, hindi naman masama. But then again, ang sabi mo kasi, kaya ko lang pinansin yun, is that you are there because napapagod ka ng kumilala ng iba. So, let me interpret the silent monologue there. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, now, when you said that, ang naisip ko bigla, so ibig sabihin pala, if there's another guy na kaya ka palang trabahuin, meaning kaya kang effortan, na hindi ka mapapagod, maaagaw ka ng iba.
Parang hindi naman. Kasi kung wala talagang connection dun sa inyong dalawa, dun sa bagong guy.
No, I'm trying to interpret what you just said.
Oh, okay.
You
Sige, go ahead.
said kasi, Kasi ganito yan, ano. You did not say na you're staying kasi mahal mo tong taong to that you see him in the future. Maybe you didn't say that. Maybe you feel that but you didn't say that. But you said kasi, gusto ko end game na to. That's your word eh. Ito na yung end game ko kasi nakakapagod na kumilala ng iba. So you are there because, kumbaga, you are just there because no choice ka. So ang sabi ko sa'yo, so ibig sabihin pala, kung mayroong lalaki na tatrabahuin ka para hindi ka na mapagod kumilala ng iba. If I have 10 cousins na kaya ka palang ligawan ngayon para hindi ka mapagod, maaagaw ka pala ng iba.
Okay, can I speak now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so hindi naman kasi
Okay.
kaya ako nag-hold on dito sa relationship na to. Kasi nakikitaan ko talaga siya ng potential. Yun nga, masinop siya, tapos may plan siya. Pero nandito lang talaga kami sa point ng buhay namin. Na parang pigang-piga kami with everything. Ako sa work, tapos siya sa business niya, sa family niya. So parang nagpa-pile up siya. Kaya nahihirapan akong itaas siya and somehow feeling ko parang binadrag niya ako pababa.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Now that made me sad. Okay. I have been doing this for 2 decades now. You wanna know what I think?
Yeah, go ahead.
You're staying with this guy because you think he's a good catch.
Yeah.
But the minute that the going gets tough and there's an option for you to become more convenient, you're gonna leave him behind.
I don't think so.
I think so.
Kasi I'm willing to stay with him naman ng kahit mahirap. Right now, kaya ako tumawag kasi parang gusto ko rin mag-ask ng advice kung paano ko ba i-manage na ng maayos. Kasi yun nga, diba na-mention ko na parang ako yung nanay.
Well, yung sinasabi mo na yan, you know what? Surprise, surprise! You're going to do that all your life. If he wifes you up, you're going to do that all your life. Magiging nanay ka, magiging best friend ka niya, magiging asawa ka niya. I tell you something.
Okay.
The thing that makes me sad sa kwentuhan natin ngayong gabi is that
Mm-hmm.
he ticks all the boxes of
Mm-hmm.
what you want for a guy.
Yes.
Tama?
Yes.
Okay.
Very true.
But, I don't know if you'll realize this now. You have another category that ticks all the boxes of what you don't want with a guy. And,
Hindi naman lahat.
well, there you go. There's still that category. At least umamin ka.
Oo naman.
And then, you tend to compare those two notes.
Mm-mm.
That's dangerous. You know, the trick about loving a man is, I'll let you into a little secret.
Okay.
The trick about about loving a man is you have to love a guy of what you think he can be, not what he is now.
What if hindi niya na exceed yung, or hindi niya natapatan yung expectations ko na yun? Kung,
Then you don't have a vision that includes him kung hindi mo makita yan.
oh,
Yes. Kasi kayong mga ganti, ano? Sige, medyo mag-fairy tale muna tayo. Kayong mga babae, pwede kayong ipanganak princess na kayo kagad.
mhm.
I mean, really, I'm not wrong. Tama?
Tama naman.
Di ba? Pag nagka-jowa kayo, queen na kayo, reyna na kayo kagad. Tama?
Mhm.
But life sets a different rules for men. We have to work hard to become kings.
Yeah.
And before we get to a point that we become kings, we are peasants. So you have to love a guy of what he can be compared to what he is now. So the fact that you question yourself kung what if hindi niya mapuntahan yung hindi niya magawa yung mabigay yung expectation ko, ibig sabihin that says a lot that you don't see him in, di ba, in the future.
Mhm. Medyo natatakot kasi ako.
Well, that's the problem of, I'm sorry, I don't mean to offend you with this, but
Mhm.
well, buhay mo yan. No one can take it against you kung ang criteria mo ay kung di ba, if you want a guy na sobrang yaman, di namin pwedeng, we cannot take it against that, di ba, sa iyo kasi ikaw yan ikaw na mamili niyan but
Well, it's not really about the money. Kasi parang dun pa lang sa pagkakakilala ko sa kanya na medyo indecisive siya. I mean, natutuwa ako kapag nanghingi siya ng opinion sa akin kung anong dapat niyang gawin sa business, ganyan. Tapos nag-work yung opinion ko. Pero hindi pa siya marunong mag-decide for himself. Tapos, there were a lot of times na yung parents ko yung nag-offer na bigyan kami ng negosyo together, ganyan. Tapos, nung tinry namin, parang nung sinusunod namin yung blueprint na gusto niya, hindi nag-work. Tapos hanggang sa sinabi ko na lang na baka hindi pa time for us na mag-business together. So, natatakot din ako. Kasi mamaya ang dami ko na nilabas na pera, tapos nag-effort ako, tapos biglang hindi na.
and ano yan it is not it shouldn't be taken against you. Kasi ganito yan pag-usapan muna natin ikaw muna bago siya. Alright? Okay. Now ganito. Let's ask a basic question that will set the tone of the next topic that I'm going to discuss with you. Are you doing something wrong? You're not.
Yes.
You are being 25. Whether you categorically know this or you will realize this now, you are just being 25 and you are aware that whatever you do sa age na to will affect the rest of your life.
Yes.
Gets?
Yes.
Okay. At aware ka, di ba? Alam mo that whatever you do sa edad na to, okay, will affect the rest of your life. That's why it's very important to you to see him kung ano yung pupuntahan ng buhay mo na pinapangarap mo. The thing is, you cannot see him there. Kasi tinitignan mo lahat ng kilos niya. Tama?
Yes. Masama ba yun?
It's not. It's not.
Okay.
I mean, this is your life. You have the free will to choose what it will become. You don't owe it to anybody. Hindi masama yun. It's okay. Don't feel bad. That's number 1. Number 2, hindi mo to kinuwento sa akin. Alright? Hindi mo to kinuwento sa akin. But, alam ko na nung naghiwalay kayo ng 7 years mo, you told yourself while you were sobbing and crying that the next time you're going to date, siya na. And then here you are 3 years down the line, you see things that concerns you. Are you listening?
Yes.
Ano iniisip mo?
Kasi parang feeling ko, kapag hindi ito naayos, baka i-relieve ko lang yung trauma ko with my ex.
There you go.
Na ako talaga yung bumuhay.
There you go. Yan na. Look, ganito I wanna be very clear.
Mm.
Ha? You do not owe it to anybody. You don't owe it to anybody to explain your choices in life. May pinagtataka lang ako.
Ano yun, Patrick?
I mean, if you really love this guy, you wouldn't mind doing efforts for him. Which is the complete opposite. You mind. You mind.
Grabe. Sabi ko di ako iiyak.
Diba? I mean, when we do things for the person we love, it does not fulfill the person we do it for. Eh. It fulfills us. Eh. Masaya tayo, di ba? Pero ikaw hindi. And it's not wrong. It's not wrong. You're not wrong, by the way. You're not wrong. Meron ka lang assignment.
Bigyan pa ng assignment. Ano yan?
You be honest with him. That one he deserves from you.
Sobrang vocal ko naman sa kanya about it. Tapos lagi naman niyang ina-acknowledge yung feelings ko.
Yeah. Good. He's not doing anything wrong sa iyo. It's just that his circumstances is not as fortunate as you are. Eh, pinanganak kang meron eh. Pinanganak siyang challenged eh. Nakuha mo yung point ko, ma'am. So, hindi mo pwedeng hanapin sa kanya yung horizon na nakikita mo kasi magkaiba kayo ng circumstances. Someone said here, she's intelligent. Yeah, I guess you are intelligent. You know what you want, and that's okay. I like that you know what you want. Look, you don't, ganito ano, I don't want you to feel bad knowing what you want. That's okay. This is your life. Whatever you do today, sa edad na ito ng buhay mo, will affect the rest of your life. And it's okay to be super careful. It's completely fine to be super careful.
So, dapat ba parang hayaan ko na muna siya on his own? Hindi yung face na
good.
parang siya naman yung mag-man out sa relationship.
Okay, good
All
question.
this time.
Good question.
Okay.
I like the question. Do you want me to answer?
Yes, please.
Tingin mo ng 2.5. Mayaman ka na.
Sa
Mayaman.
Gcash.
Mayaman ka naman
Pwede
eh.
pagkuha na lang ng 13-month pay, doon ka na lang isend.
Oo, ano ba yan? Sige. Ganito. Ask me again, please.
So, kailangan ba hayaan ko muna siya na siya naman yung mag-man up sa relationship? Kasi parang all this time, hindi naman all this time, parang lately, recently, ganyan. Feeling ko, ako yung lalaki sa relationship.
Okay.
Kasi I do the decision making. Ako yung nag-initiate for him to do this. Ganyan.
Okay. The thing is, you insist your way on how to do things and it burdens you. Halimbawa, you said this, Papa Jackson, basic needs niya nga, hindi niya nabibili or ipapabayaan niya sarili niya. And then what you do, you analyze what he's doing and you provide for him. Tama? In the process, it turns you off a little bit. Pero hindi ka naman niya hiningaan. Hindi ka niya pinilit. Nag-grant lang siya.
Yeah.
Just like any partner would do. Eh, kung honest at komportable siya sa'yo, bakit naman masama mag-grant sa'yo? Pero ikaw, di ba, being the super girlfriend that you want to be sa kanya, provide ka sa kanya. Pero, you mind pala. Nagbibilang ka pala. Wala siyang pagkain. Padala mo siya o hindi, kakain naman yan eh.
Kasi, Papa Jack, sobrang sakitin niya.
Hayaan mo siya. Look, 3 years pa lang kayo. Diba? Ilang taon na siya?
Same. Kami.
Okay.
25.
Okay. So nabuhay siya ng 22 years. Wala ka naman sa tabi niya. Hindi mo siya namatay ah. What makes you think that he needs you to tell him how to survive? He does not. Let him be.
So,
If you wanna be-
masyado siyang binibigay.
Hindi masama yun kung hindi, okay, hindi masama yun if it's not taking its toll. The problem is it's taking its toll on you. Now, ayoko sana sabihin to pero
Sige na, go na. Start na eh.
you are an intelligent lover, not an emotional one, which is scary. I think you'll be so rich in the future. You'll have many nice things. But you will have a difficult time finding a romantic partner. Because it's not what you're looking for. And it's not your fault. It's not your fault. We cannot fault you for that. Eh, buhay mo yan eh. May pakiusap lang ako sa'yo.
What?
Huwag mong gawing kasangkapan yung taong to just to fulfill some part of you kung talagang alam mo na in the end, you will just leave him behind.
I'm not gonna leave him naman. Hindi ko naman pinaplano. I just want him to improve.
Ano
To
yun?
be better.
Iluwa mo nga yung telepono, hindi ko marinig. Ano yun?
Hindi I mean, hindi ko naman binabalak na iwanan siya. Gusto ko lang siya mag-improve at maging better ngayon, lalo na sa age namin. I know it's wrong na masyado namin pinapressure yung sarili namin dahil 25 pa lang kami. Pero kasi parehas kaming may specific goal na pagdating namin ng 30, dapat settled down na kami.
Well, maybe at some point, kailangan tanggapin that your timeline is not as same as his.
Yun nga eh. Feeling ko dun kaya parehas kaming lugmok kasi yung plano namin hindi sumasang-ayon sa amin right now.
I have a question for you.
Mhm.
Alam mo, kaka-pressure mo sa mga bagay-bagay. You are forgetting to enjoy that you are in a relationship with a guy that you love. Do you know what's the beauty of growing older?
What's that?
I was just told because I'm young. But I will tell you.
Okay, go ahead.
You know, when you're older, you have a better idea of what's important in life. It's not the achievements. It's not recognition. Not the material things.
Parang dapat marinig niya din yan.
It's the moments that you keep in your heart that you can always relieve, whether you lose a limb, a leg, an arm. These are intangible things. But you're 25.
Yeah.
So itong sinasabi ko sa'yo, it will only matter soon pag dinaanan mo na yung dapat mong daanan. What's my point telling you this? My point is, you are so fixated with what kind of, that's the proper term. You are so fixated with what kind of possible future you might have, and you forget to enjoy what's happening now.
Naging ganun na kasi ako, Papa Jack eh. Kaya nga tumagal ng 7 years na sa ex ko eh. Tapos,
That's not fair. Alam mo, kaya
Yeah.
tinan mo, di ako nagre-react gana, but sige, mag-react na ako dyan. You're not supposed to bring up in any conversation
gets naman.
yung ex mo. That's not fair.
Mhm. Siguro masyado lang ako nagiging cautious.
Gusto mo ng katumbas niyan sa lalaki yung pag-compare mo. Gusto mo, may comparison kami niyan eh. Nakailang boyfriend na yung jowa mo? Nakailang girlfriend na yung jowa mo?
Second pa lang ako.
Pag sinabi niya sa'yo bukas, alam mo mas malaki bubos ng ex ko sa'yo. Ma-offend ka?
Hindi. Hindi naman ako insecure.
O pag sinabi niya na mas maganda yung boobs ng ex ko.
Hindi congrats.
Pero ma-offend ka. Hindi mo ako pwede plastikin. It will hit you.
Mm-hmm.
Yan ang katumbas ng pag-compare mo. Even bringing up the name of your ex in the conversation, yan ang katumbas sa amin nun. It's offensive. It's highly offensive. You're not supposed to bring yung failed 7 years mo into any conversation to justify your dissatisfaction sa jowa mo ngayon.
Mm.
Did that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Before we end this,
Okay.
I want to go back to what I said kanina.
Mm.
You are not a romantic lover. You are an intelligent lover.
Bigat.
To some degree, you view a relationship as something transactional. Which is not your problem sa kahit kanino except to him. The world cannot judge you kung yan ka. Ikaw yan eh. Buhay mo yan eh. Di ba?
Mm.
I have a question before we end.
Okay, go.
Why did you call tonight? What happened?
Hindi ko alam.
Kasi may,
Hindi, joke lang alam ko.
may turning point to kaya tayo magkausap ngayon eh.
Mm-mm.
Ano nangyari? I'm interested.
Kasi kanina magkasama kami tapos pumunta siya ng bank. Tapos parang hindi siya natuwa dun sa may numbers na nakita. Sabihin ko na lang na numbers na nakita niya. Kasi nga kakabayad lang yun ang bills niya and everything ganyan. Tapos parang dun ko siya nakita first time na pumitik. Hindi naman niya ako sinigawan or whatsoever. Pero nag-road rage siya. Tapos parang pinipilit ko siyang pakalmahin. Tapos hindi siya umakalma. Di niya ako kinakausap. Tapos nung sinatid niya na ako sa bahay, tinry ko siyang kausapin. Tapos wala lang siyang kibo. Tapos pumasok ako ng kwarto. Paglabas ko, natutulog lang siya ulit din sa sofa. Tapos hanggang ngayon, nasa labas pa rin ako. Hindi niya ako kinakausap. So,
Oh, you're together
hindi ko alam.
tonight?
Yeah.
He is at your place? Are you living together na?
Hindi naman.
Oh.
Overnight lang siya sa amin.
You're just free to go to each other's places.
Mm-mm.
So anong fault mo sa kanya?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko talaga alam eh.
Okay, now I understand you.
Pero sinabi niya lang sa akin, parang, grabe anong edad ko na, tapos ito pa lang yung pera ko. After niya mag-settle ng bills nila, tapos gano'n. Tapos nasiraan pa siya ng gulong last week, so labas na naman ng pera. Kaya nag-file out. Tapos nagulat ako, parang first time ko siya nakitang pumiti.
Yeah.
Whew.
That's frustration and that should be normal. And what did you tell? Well, di normal yung reaction niya, but it's normal to be frustrated if there's a goal na hindi na may meet. But what did you...
Hindi ko alam. Siguro nakulitan siya sa akin. Kakatanong ko ng, okay ka lang ba? Pwede bang kumalma ka? Huwag kang busina ng busina. Kasi makakauwi naman tayo. Yung ganun, pinagsasabihan ko siya.
Yeah, I get you. So, meron akong hinala ngayon. I really think he would take things slow kung hindi ka ang girlfriend niya. Lagay mo.
Hindi ko alam eh. I don't know what he did.
So maybe even if you don't tell him or even if you don't pressure him, he's being pressured because nakikita ka niya And you're more successful than he is. Which is not your fault, by the way.
So, ibig sabihin na parang nagpa-pressure siya kasi mas able ako financially. Ganun.
You know what? He'll never admit it to you. Man.
Really?
Man, yeah.
Oh my God.
We'll never
Oh my God.
We'll never
Oh
say
my God.
we will never admit it to you. We'll never say na insecure kami because you're doing better than us. We'll never say it to you.
Pero hindi ko naman kasalanan
Of
yun,
course,
diba?
it's not your fault. My point is we will not even admit it to ourselves.
Ano ba yan eh? Pero bakit ganun yung treatment?
No, you know the outburst is, you know, that's the yun yung byproduct eh.
So, nai-insecure siya sa akin.
Oh my God, binisto ko lahat ng lalaki tonight. Sorry.
Pero Papa Jack, every time na nagiging vocal ako about it na,
It's pressuring
pwede
him.
bang ikaw naman sa ganitong date magbayad next time? Kasi 50-50 talaga kami ever since. Na hindi ko naman talaga minamind. Kasi sabi ng nanay ko, huwag kang magpapalibre dun sa lalaki.
Or
Kasi
maybe
baka mamaya
maybe alam mo, yung yung paglabas-labas niyo na instead na nag-enjoy kayo na nagpe-pressure lang kayo sa gastos. Why don't you just go ahead na magluto kayo ng banana kayo sa bahay and just tell him na alam mo, wag na tayo labas muna. Ipon muna tayo. We can be happy.
Papa Jack, masarap siya magluto. Ayun yung common dates namin. Parang lumalabas na lang ata kami. Twice a month.
Kung hindi
Huwag
talaga,
pa yun sa market.
alam mo, kung hindi talaga kaya, at if you feel like nababad trip ka lang kasi hindi mo masabing magbayad ka naman this time, wag na lang kayo lumabas at all.
Yun nga, yung sinasabi ko sa kanya. Si kuya mo naman, pag nag-grocery kami, mga pinipili kasi ng ingredients. Ang mamahal kasi course niya yun HR. Tapos, syempre, babayad kami sa groceries ng 50-50. I don't mind. Okay lang naman sa akin kasi nakakain din naman ako. Pero ayun, kung pwede na babawasan, pwede naman. Alam mo yun, gusto ko lang ng happy moments. Tapos, out of the blue, biglang bogs nag-burst out si
Oh, well,
kuya.
wala ka na magagawa doon kung desisyon niya yun. Kain ka na lang marami.
Nagulat lang
Kain ka na lang
ako.
marami. Kain ka na lang marami.
Magpakwek-kwek na lang ako sa tabi.
Kain ka na lang marami. Kung ganun, 50-50 pala kayo. Ayaw niyang tumigil kakadampot ng, di ba? Pwede naman kasing coconut oil, kumuha siya ng olive oil. Di, ano gagawin natin?
Pero ayun na, nagugulat lang ako. Tapos yung sinasabi ko kanina, natatakot ako sa future. Baka kasi gawin niya ulit na mag-burst out siya ng gano'n. Hindi ko pa siya natatansya. Kasi first time ko siya makitang gano'n.
It is not the last time that he will be frustrated. How?
Yes.
Of course. Di ba? Kahit ikaw din wag kang mag-alala in the future, you will have your moment.
Naman.
Di ba?
I just don't understand. Did I make him that way?
No. You shouldn't blame yourself. But do you believe he's a good guy?
Yeah. Oo naman. Kaya nga ako nagsistay.
Yeah. Then there's no problem. I hope I'm wrong when I said you are an intelligent lover more than just being a romantic one.
Tatakot ako. Baka mamaya ako ano pang kaya niyang gawin pag nag-burst out siya sa akin.
You have the right to feel concerned sa part na yan.
Kaya yun din sinisik ako kanina na gusto ko lang siya mag-improve, maging better. Hindi naman 100% about his money and decision making. Pero sana mag-mature din siya.
Well,
pagdating sa pag-manage niya still.
alam mo, baka sa'yo kasi, yan yun eh. Baka sa'yo, kailangan niya mag-mature. Baka para sa kanya, he's doing the best that he can.
Yeah, I guess. Baka feeling niya 100% na yung
Oo,
ginagawa.
baka mamaya magkaiba kayo ng parameter. So let him be. Let him be. Let him be. Wag mo, magkaiba kayo ng, alam mo ganito yan. No? Kayo mga babae, you will always be 2 years more mature than us. On everything. It doesn't mean that we are wrong. We're just saying, di ba, that mas mature kayo sa amin, di ba, sa ganyang bagay. At least 2 years, no? It doesn't make us wrong. It just means that at some point, di ba, you take on the serious way to solve things and we take the playful way. At some point, we'll solve it. But we have to be playful as we, di ba, as we go and solve it.
Okay.
Well, you are 25 years old. I mean, don't burden
Marami
yourself.
pa ako matututunan.
Exactly. Di ba? Pareho kayo. Well, if it's any consolation to you, alam mo kayong dalawa, you have a good problem.
Oo naman.
Totoo.
Kahit naman yung mga friends ko, nagsasabi sila na
Buti nga yan ang
parang
problema nyo
swak
eh.
na.
Yan, buti nga yan ang problema nyo eh. Di ba? Nakita mo yung problema ng caller bago ikaw.
Oo nga, nakakaloka yung ano.
Di ba?
Naka-second base lang. Oo.
Hindi yun. Ikaw sa lahat na maaalala mo yung malaswa pa. Hindi.
Kasi yung sinabi mo kanina nagpadudo eh.
Hindi yun. Yung jowa
sorry.
niya na ayaw magtrabaho.
Oo nga, di ba?
At may anak pa na 14 years old. Ang naalala mo yung duduhan eh. Hindi yun.
Sorry, ayun yung tumatak eh. Tawan-tawa ako doon. Kumakain kasi ako. Naluwa ko yung food kasi na.
Anyways. Well, say hi to your boyfriend. I think you found a good guy. If anything, di lang kay Jive siguro ngayon. But I hope you find your ways soon para mag-align yung mga stars ninyo.
Ay, nagulat lang siguro ako kanina. Kasi
Baka. Napag-iwanan ka lang ng nervyos kanina.
Hindi pa siya nawawala.
Well, he has to be man enough to apologize to you and promise he'll never do it again. Although it's not a guarantee that he will not do it again, but he has to make that promise.
Pero I have a last question.
Yes, ma'am.
Para mamaya pagising niya, alam ko yung gagawin. So, dapat ba kausapin ko siya right away or wag muna?
Well, this is your place, so go ahead and kiss him.
Baka kasi mamaya kausapin ko siya kagad. Ako, diba, napaka-vocal ko naman sa mga
There you go. Yan na may overthink
emotion
part.
ko.
Yeah.
Pero,
Puntahan
hindi
mo
ako
na.
nagdanag. Hindi ako nagdanag. As in, kinakausap ko siya ng mahina ako.
Puntahan mo na. Liplapin mo na.
Hindi, natutulog. May
There's-
work mamaya.
There's a reason why he stayed in your place overnight. He wants to be with you. Kinakausap ko o hindi, that's a silent way of saying na, I'm still here. You have to learn how to read between the lines. Sige, pagising na lang. Pag nakapag-mouthwash na pala. Well, congratulations for what it's worth.
Thank you.
I think you'll go far. O yung racket natin, ha?
Thank you. Oo naman.
Oh,
Friends na tayo.
Wala, in-unfriend na kita.
Ay, ganoon. Ano ba
Hindi,
yan?
I'll just...
Joke lang.
Ina-add ko lang yung mga for like
Para matawagan.
2 minutes tapos ina-unfriend ko din. Dahil
Yeah.
you want to, pag nag-inquire ka sa akin, dun ka sa fan page, ha?
Okay. Na-brief na.
Oo, ha? Pag may racket. Medyo expensive ako pero magaling naman ako.
Hindi ka namin afford, Papa Jack. Baka ano ka na, 6 digits na yung talent mo.
Malapit, pero sulit yan. Sa akin ka makaka-experience ng pinakamasayang event.
Yun na. Baka may sermon, mili ka man-sermon eh.
No. Anyways, thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Papa Jack. Good night.
Maraming salamat po.
Ay, good morning pala. Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.